What's up, guys? If you're planning to buy a 3D printer, look for one that brings creativity and convenience together. Choose a model with auto leveling, fast Core XY or similar speeds, and strong cooling for crisp, clean prints. Multicolor capability, smart resume functions, and remote control make your projects smoother and more exciting. A great 3D printer should boost precision, save time, and spark your imagination. So, let's get started. Number 6 is FLASHFORGE ED5X Multicolor 3D Printer. Unlock next-level creativity with the FLASHFORGE 3D printer, now offered at an impressive 28% off for just $359. This standout machine brings your ideas to life with rich multicolor prints, blending up to 4 shades in one go. Its one-click auto-leveling removes all setup stress, while the ultra-fast 600mm/S Core XY system delivers rapid, studio-grade results. Crafted for perfection, it features a 300°C direct drive extruder, precision cooling, and vibration compensation for stunning accuracy. With interchangeable nozzles for detail or speed and smart perks like resume printing and remote control, the ED5X makes professional 3D printing easier and more exciting than ever. The next is Number 5. SOVOL Zero 3D Printer, redefining speed, precision, and possibility. The SOVOL Zero 3D printer sets a new standard in the world of 3D printing with its cutting-edge features and unmatched performance. Engineered for both speed and precision, it's the perfect companion for hobbyists and professionals alike. Key features: world's fastest Creality 3D printer. Achieve an extraordinary speed of 1200mm/s. Thanks to its advanced Creality kinematics, the SOVOL Zero offers faster acceleration, fewer vibrations, and smoother prints, perfect for rapid, high-quality results. Next-gen auto-leveling V3.0, combining eddy current scanning with pressure sensing, this auto-leveling system ensures unmatched accuracy. It quickly maps the Z-axis without physical contact and fine-tunes each touchpoint, making first layers flawless, without user intervention. High-temp nozzle and heated bed. Print with advanced materials like ABS, ASA, PA, and carbon fiber blends. The nozzle reaches 350°C, while the AC heated bed hits 120°C, ensuring compatibility with high-performance filaments and consistent results. Chamber temperature monitoring. A built-in sensor allows real-time monitoring, maintaining ideal conditions for various filament types. An upcoming heating component will further enhance temperature control. Built-in camera. Monitor prints live via Bico, enjoy time-lapse recordings, and gain deeper insights into the printing process, all from the convenience of a built-in camera. Air filtration system. Stay safe with effective filtering of VOX and fine particles, especially when printing with high-temp filaments. With the SOVOL Zero, you're not just printing, you're creating with power, speed, and precision like never before. The next is Number 4. ELEGOO Neptune 3 Pro, precision 3D printing made simple. This 3D printer delivers an exceptional balance of performance, user-friendliness, and smart features, making it an ideal choice for both hobbyists and advanced users. Key features: overview of Neptune 3 Pro, with a generous 225x225 by 280 mate. Multiplied by 8 11-inch build volume, it handles most printing tasks with ease. Powered by an STM32 motherboard and silent stepper motors on all axes, it ensures smooth, quiet operation, keeping noise levels down to just 47-48 decibels. Pre-assembled main components and a complete toolkit make setup fast and hassle-free. Dual gear direct extruder. The upgraded extruder is made from US 303 stainless steel with a 3:1 reduction ratio, offering powerful and reliable filament feeding. This minimizes clogs and extrusion issues, supporting high-quality prints with PLA, TPU, PETG, and ABS materials. Advanced nozzle kit. The nozzle system includes a TC4 titanium throat pipe, a brass nozzle, and an aluminum heat sink for efficient thermal control. This design significantly improves cooling and reduces the risk of clogs, ensuring smoother printing. Smarter printing experience. The printer's auto bed leveling uses a high-precision sensor to scan 36 points on the metal platform, adjusting for any surface irregularities. Additional features like filament runout detection and power loss recovery make the printing process worry-free and efficient. The ELEGOO Neptune 3 Pro combines precision engineering with user-focused enhancements for a seamless, smart 3D printing experience. The next is Number 3. ANYCUBIC Photon Mono 4 High-Precision 10K Resin 3D Printing Redefined. The ANYCUBIC Photon Mono 4 is a next-generation 10K resin 3D printer that blends unmatched resolution with efficient design, making it a standout choice for both hobbyists and professionals seeking ultra-detailed prints. Key features: 710K HD Mono LCD, featuring a 7-inch 10K mono screen with an impressive resolution of 9024 by 5120 and a pixel size of 17x17 μm. The Photon Mono 4 offers 105% improved precision over its predecessor. This enables stunning model accuracy and intricate detailing for even the most complex designs. Liabery Matrix Light Source. Equipped with the ANYCUBIC Liabery Matrix, this printer ensures evenly distributed lighting to minimize rasterization and layer lines. With 1.5-second single-layer exposure, it boosts efficiency without compromising print quality. Large printing volume. The print space measures 153 multiplied by 87 x 165 mm 6.04 x 3.42 x 6.49, making it versatile for both small and medium-sized models. This allows users to handle multiple or larger parts in a single run. Stable and reliable performance. A redesigned build platform with laser-engraved texture enhances adhesion, reducing lifting and warping while allowing easy model removal, key for consistent, high-quality results. Improved user experience. The Photon Mono 4 is pre-assembled and calibrated, so users can start printing immediately after leveling. It also features power loss resume printing, saving resin and time in case of outages. The ANYCUBIC Photon Mono 4 is the perfect blend of resolution, reliability, and user-friendliness, an ideal 3D printer for precision-driven creators. The next is Number 2. Bambu Lab A1 Mini 3D Printer, Multicolor Printing Made Easy. The Bambu Lab A1 Mini 3D Printer is a compact yet powerful machine designed for speed, precision, and vibrant multicolor printing. Whether you're a hobbyist or a professional, this printer offers advanced features to enhance your 3D printing experience. Key features: high-speed precision. With an acceleration of 10,000 mm/s2, the A1 Mini delivers fast and precise prints without compromising quality. Enjoy smooth, detailed models in record time. Multicolor printing with AMS Light. Unlock endless creativity with multicolor 3D prints using the AMS Light system sold separately or as a combo. Switch between filaments effortlessly and bring your designs to life with vibrant hues. Full auto calibration. No more manual adjustments. The A1 Mini automatically calibrates bed leveling, Z-offset, and more, ensuring perfect prints every time. Active flow rate compensation. This smart feature adjusts filament flow in real time, preventing under or over extrusion for flawless, smooth prints. Compact and user-friendly. Despite its small size, the A1 Mini packs powerful performance, making it ideal for homeschool or office use. The Bambu Lab A1 Mini 3D printer is a game-changer, combining speed, precision, and multicolor capabilities in a compact design. Whether for prototyping or artistic creations, it delivers exceptional results with minimal effort. Upgrade your 3D printing experience with the A1 Mini today. The next is Number 1. Creality Ender 3 V3 Set 3D Printer. Speed, simplicity, and reliability. This 3D printer is a high-speed, user-friendly 3D printer designed for efficiency and precision. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced maker, this printer delivers fast, reliable, and hassle-free printing. Key features: faster and smoother printing. With a 250 mm/s print speed and 2500 mm/s2 acceleration, the Ender 3 V3 outperforms many competitors while maintaining excellent print quality. Its intuitive UI displays real-time leveling and printing progress for a seamless experience. Effortless setup and auto-leveling. Assemble in just 20 minutes with 3 simple steps. The CR Touch Auto Leveling and Strain Sensor for Auto Z Offset ensure a perfect first layer every time. No manual adjustments needed. Reliable Sprite Direct Extruder. The proven Sprite extruder handles PLA, PETG, and TPU with ease. With over 500,000 units shipped, it's a trusted choice for smooth, clog-free printing. Ultra-stable dual Z-axis and Y-axis. The dual Z-axis with belt synchronization eliminates wobbling, while the dual 8mm steel linear Y-axis rods ensure long-lasting stability and precision. Why choose the Ender 3v3's? Blazing fast printing without sacrificing quality. Beginner-friendly with auto-leveling and quick setup. Strong, stable frame for consistent results. Versatile extruder for multiple filament types. Perfect for hobbyists, educators, and professionals, the Ender 3v3's offers speed, simplicity, and reliability at an affordable price. Upgrade your 3D printing journey today, so this is the best option for you to buy.